My role here at Rockline as a maintenance tech is to just help fix any problem that we have on the production floor. If a machine breaks down, I go out there and I help make repairs to those machines, or if there's any problems operations have out there, I try to help out in the best way that I can. Coming to maintenance wasn't something I planned. It was something that just happened. After I got out of high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I figured I'd jump into an education. I go to college, have a general broad idea of jumping into the workforce where I have a lot of opportunities to grow, to branch out and work at many different things. And maintenance just happened to be a job that I happened to land into, and I got very lucky because coming into this job, I've learned a lot more, and I see a lot more. Then there's more opportunities I can take out there. Yeah, this is not the end of the path for me. When my manager hired me, since he saw the potential in me, and I was able to come in here, and here I am, I was able to prove myself. Coming in every day, I tried to stay very motivated. I worked very hard. I get along with everyone in the shop. I try to learn as much as I can from everybody. What I do enjoy about my job is I come in every day and there's usually something new to work on, so it's not repetitive. And as I work on those different aspects, I gain more skills. Being able to take the skills I learned from work and applying that at home gives me a sense of fulfillment, because anytime I help out family members, I help out my parents because they've done a lot for me in the past, and now I can do something for them. Maintenance isn't always meant for everyone. It's something that you have to enjoy doing. It's something you're willing to put your hands on and get dirty and work in the field. As long as you have the humility to take any skills and learn them from the other people that are teaching you, you should be able to get anywhere in the maintenance field as long as you are willing and motivated and you stay that way and you have a goal. Coming into the manufacturing company as a career, there's a lot of growth options. Just because you're working on the production floor doesn't mean you're stuck there forever. You can always strive to get higher. If you want to become a supervisor, you can slowly work your way up. As long as you push yourself, you stay ambitious. Or if you want to become a manager, you can also get there too. It's just going to take some time. Just like learning takes time, trying to get somewhere with your goal in life will take time.